What's up? What's up? What's up, my Mind Your Money business folks? It's me yet again with another video about today's stock market. The Dow and the S&P 500 slips after key jobs data show surprise rebound in openings. Confusing. But, it is the stock market. It's like it has Tourette's. It's good one day, the next day it's down. It's good the next day, then it's good the following day, then it's down on Thursday, down on Friday. It's all over the place, right? It's like it's on medication, some psychotic medication. So let's get into this because I have to go to work. It says the U.S. stocks traded mixed on Tuesday as investors digested fresh jobs data and new Fed speak regarding the path forward for interest rates. The S&P 500 hugged the flat line, while the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite rose about 0.2% in the afternoon trade, coming off fresh records for the two gauges. The Dow Jones Industrial Average reversed earlier gains to fall roughly 0.1%. The job openings rose by 372,000 to 774. No, it rose by 372,000 to 7.74 million last month in October. Well, no, not last month, but in October, compared to estimates of 7.54 million, according to BLS data research on Tuesday. The job openings and labor turnover survey, JOLTS, JOLTS, also showed fewer hires were made during the month, while the quits rate, a sign of confidence among workers, rose to 2.1% from 1.9% in September. The JOLTS data serves as the first in a wave of key signals this week that culminates in Friday's all-important monthly U.S. payroll report. So what you will learn as you start investing your money and paying attention to the market, there are so many things that affect it. It can be other countries, it can be these job reports, labor reports, the expenditure reports. There are so many reports that you need to pay attention to because they can either negatively or positively affect the stock market. Elections. So, knowing this information helps you keep your emotions in check, because just because the stock market is down doesn't mean that you should not invest. A lot of times when the prices are down, that is when you actually should buy. So it says here, traders are now pricing in about a 74% chance that the Fed's lower rates by a quarter percentage point at its December 18th meeting, compared with 62% a day ago, per the CME FedWatch. Again, interest rates, when they're lower, people tend to spend more money. Interest rates are lower, they can buy more cars, they can buy homes at lower interest rates. Companies can borrow money from the bank to expand their businesses, so on and so forth. So lowering interest rates by 25 basis points this month is good. It also allows people to invest more money into the stock market. So on Tuesday, policymakers Mary Daly and Adriana Kugler suggested rates will continue to fall as the central bank brings policy closer to a more neutral setting. Fed Chair Jerome Powell is set to speak on Wednesday. Jerome. Meanwhile, shares in U.S. Steel fell about 8% on the heels of President-elect Trump promised to block its $15 billion with a B dollar takeover by Japan's Nippon Steel. Trump said tax incentives and tariffs will enable the American steel giant to thrive on its own. Yeah, and that's pretty much it about the market. You know, Tesla, I believe Tesla's down. Let's see what's going on in the market. Yeah, Tesla's down about 2%. SMCI Super Microcomputer is down 4%. My information technology ETF is up 0.28%. My S&P 500 ETF is up 0.05%. But even though things are down, right? They were up yesterday, they're down today. When I go to my S&P 500 ETF, the year-to-date gains on my fund is still over 27%. That's the beauty. I mean, I hate seeing losses, but the gains outweigh the losses long term. That's why I am a long-term investor. I'm not in this investment category or thing that I'm doing hoping to get rich quick. It's a process. It really is a process, and it's something that has to be built upon. Yeah. Apple is up 0.99%. Nvidia is up 0.95%. Like, it's barely moving. I don't know what's going on with Nvidia, but it is what it is. Palantir is up 7%. So the market is doing what the market does. What is Apple doing today? Apple is up a little over 1%. What about Amazon? Amazon is up 0.89% because the market is going to be open for another 47 minutes. What about Meta? What is Meta doing? Oh, wow. Meta is up 3%. Meta. I remember a couple years ago when Facebook Meta was trading for $145 a share. The stock is now over $600, $611 a share. You got to get in this market, people. You have to, one way to improve your financial future is by investing into assets. But first, you need to create a budget. You need to get out of debt. A lot of us are in debt. A lot of people are in debt. You have to lower your debt to income ratio. Get out of debt. There's no reason why. Well, get out of debt. Because the less debt you have in paying something off, like your credit card or your furniture bill or your Home Depot, I guess, credit card, the less money you throw towards those depreciating things, the more money you will have to throw towards stocks and investments that appreciate over time. Something that can be, passed on generation after generation after generation, right? And then once you learn that, that is something you can then teach the future generation, teach your offsprings, your kids, your family members. And yeah, it's all worth it. But as long as you're in debt, and a ton of debt, you're not going to be able to invest anything into your future. You're not going to have the patience to think about investing or trying to figure out how to invest, or you would never reach out to a financial advisor to have them invest on your behalf because you don't have the money to do so. So lower your debt to income ratio, start living below your means. And yeah, but other than that, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think, if you think anything at all. A disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not pretending to be one. I'm just someone on your YouTube talking. So any views expressed in my videos and on my channel is for entertainment purposes only and expresses my opinions. So please contact a financial advisor before you invest any of your monies. But contact me if you need help with getting out of debt. All right, so you guys, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think. If you think people at all. All right, take care. Peace.